Everyone, my name is Riddhi and I am from 6th standard from Girisav's Gurukul Career Avenue. Today I am going to give you information about breadboard. Information about breadboard. A variety of electronic systems may be prototyped by using breadboards from small analog and digital circuits to complete central processing unit (CPU). Breadboard is used for building temporary circuits. It is useful for designers because it allows components to be removed and replaced easily. A breadboard is a rectangular plastic board with a bunch of tiny holes in it. 400 tie point solderless breadboard is a cute half size breadboard. Good for small project. It has 2 power and 30 volumes, 10 rows. This is breadboard. These 2 lines are known as power strips. This is terminal strips and this middle line is known as center divider. Now I will show you the connections. This is jumper wire, register, and these all 4 lights are known as LEDs. Now we will put the connections. We have to always put connections in vertical line. If we put the connection in a horizontal line, the connection we will not get the connection. Now I will put LEDs. Now I will put the register.